Welcome to The Hustle. My name is Rich, and in this video I'm going to show you some awesome keyboard shortcuts to make your life easier when you use Canva. So let's get started. Here is my design. What I'd like to do is to take a row of emojis and put them along the top and the bottom of this slide. Now what I don't want to have to do is to have to do this each individual time and line these all up along the top. So what I'm going to do instead is use my first keyboard shortcut, that is Command D or Control D, and that's going to allow me to duplicate items. So let me press this a few times and you'll see that emoji is now duplicated in just seconds. So here is my second keyboard shortcut. I'm going to take these and put these along the top of my slide. Now what I don't want to have to do is to manually kind of see where these fit the best. It's really hard to drag these with precision and proper spacing. And I'm going to choose my next keyboard shortcut, and that is going to be Alt, Shift, and T. And now you'll notice these are perfectly spaced at the top of my slide. I can just drag them over to make these perfectly centered, and there we go. Now let's try another keyboard shortcut. I'm just going to draw my box around all of these. They're all highlighted. You can see this one on your screen in the middle. It is group if I use Command G or Control G. These are now grouped together. So since they're grouped together, I'm going to select our old keyboard shortcut, Control D, duplicate this, and bring this all the way down to the bottom of my slide. Now maybe I look at this and I think, there's maybe one too many emoji in this group at the bottom. I'm just going to do the ungroup keystroke now, which is Control, Shift, and G. Now all of these are ungrouped, and I can go in and delete whatever ones I don't want. So here's a really simple keystroke that's going to be incredibly useful. I'm just going to select the slash, and you'll see right over here in the side, this is going to be our magic button where we can do a number of different things that you're looking at on your screen right now. But I am going to choose this option, which is Magic Write, and I'm going to have Canva write a description for this slide. And there it is. And now maybe I think everything that I've done on here, I don't really want to, I just want to start from scratch again. So I'm going to select everything on the screen and get rid of it. Now I could draw a box around everything, or I could try to get rid of each item one by one, but I'm going to use the next keyboard shortcut, that is Control A, and it's going to allow me to select everything on the screen and delete it. And now my slide is blank where it was when I started. So I hope these keyboard shortcuts have been helpful for you. If you have any questions or have any other shortcuts to share, go ahead and leave them in the comment area below. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.